You dusted your home last week, maybe even yesterday, and right now, if you run your finger across any horizontal surface in the room you are sitting in, you will find dust, already, again. As though the cleaning never happened. What if the problem is not how often you dust, but that you have never been taught how to stop dust from settling in the first place? Today, that changes completely. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and turn on the notification bell, because dusting the same surfaces repeatedly forever is not cleaning. It is a cycle. And today we break it. The frustration that never ends. There is a particular kind of cleaning fatigue that dust creates, unlike any other household chore. With a dirty floor, you mop it, and it is clean. With a burnt pan, you clean it, and it is clean. But dust? Dust comes back. Always, quietly, relentlessly. You wipe a shelf on Monday, and by Thursday, there is a visible layer again. You clean the television screen, and within 2 days, it carries that familiar gray film. You dust the ceiling fan, and the next time you look up, it is already accumulating again on every blade. Most people respond to this cycle by dusting more frequently. Hack number 1. The fabric softener. Surface treatment. Dust does not settle randomly. It is drawn to surfaces by static electricity, particularly on screens, glass, plastic surfaces, and synthetic materials. Mix 1 cap of liquid fabric softener with 1 liter of water in a spray bottle. After dusting any surface, spray this solution lightly onto the surface and wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. Hack number 2. The Doormat system. Studies on indoor dust composition consistently find that between 60 and 80% of the dust in a typical home entered through the front door on the soles of shoes. The single most impactful structural change you can make to your home's dust levels costs almost nothing and requires 0 ongoing effort beyond occasional washing. A high-quality, deep-pile doormat outside every external entrance, paired with a second absorbent mat immediately inside the door. Hack number 3. The air purifier placement strategy. An air purifier placed in the wrong location does a fraction of the work it is capable of. Most people place air purifiers against a wall in a corner, the worst possible position for air circulation. An air purifier draws dusty air in, filters it, and releases clean air out. For this cycle to work efficiently, the unit needs unobstructed air access from all sides and needs to be positioned where air naturally moves, near doorways, in the center of rooms, or elevated to where warm air carrying dust particles circulates at ceiling level. Hack number 4. The microfiber discipline. Regular dusting cloths and feather dusters do not remove dust. They move it. The static charge in feather dusters and the loose weave of regular cloths lifts dust from one surface and deposits it temporarily in the air before it settles again on a different surface, often the floor or lower surfaces you just cleaned. Microfiber cloths work on a completely different principle. Hack number 5. The bedding source reduction. Here is a dust fact that genuinely surprises most people. The bedroom is typically the highest dust-generating room in the entire home, and the primary source is not outdoor particles or foot traffic. It is your bedding. Human skin sheds approximately 30 to 40,000 dead skin cells every hour. During sleep, when your body is in prolonged contact with sheets, pillowcases, and mattress surfaces for 6 to 9 hours, the accumulation of shed skin cells in bedding material is enormous. Your home does not have to be a place where you fight dust endlessly. It can be a place where dust barely gets a foothold. Start with 1 hack today. Add another next week. Build the system that your home has been waiting for. And enjoy the mornings when you run your finger across a shelf and find almost nothing. If this finally explained why dust keeps coming back, no matter how often you clean, and gave you the system to actually change it, hit the like button right now. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on the bell so home management insights like these always reach you first. Share it with someone whose home deserves to stay cleaner for longer with less effort. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.